For Ram Prasad, the land is no longer providing. His harvest is failing before it can even be gathered, lost to a combination of parched soil and a blight he cannot identify. Inside the house, his son Arjun is packing. He is done waiting for the rain. Like millions of others, he is preparing to leave the family farm for the city. The argument is a familiar one. Ram Prasad views the failure of the land as an unavoidable hardship to be endured, while Arjun sees the family's mounting debt as a sign that traditional farming is a trap. This specific crisis points to a broader infrastructure gap. While agricultural technology has advanced globally, 98% of India's farm households still lack the physical, village-level support required to access those tools. A young woman pulls into the courtyard on an EV scooter, interrupting the argument. She is a Hal Didi, a local resident trained in drone operations and digital field diagnostics. Her presence represents a shift in rural authority. She is a neighbor who understands local soil, but she is backed by real-time data and specialized technical training. She leads them to a clearing on the edge of the village, where a modular station has been deployed. This is more than a service point. It is an integrated node combining a digital command center, flight operations, and charging infrastructure for electric mobility. The Hal Didi opens a tablet, pulling up the coordinates for Ram Prasad's specific farm plot. Satellite and drone data have converted this acreage into a digital twin. The field is mapped into a grid of tokenized cubes, allowing for deep analysis. The system identifies anomalies in soil and leaf health, pinpointing the pest infestation invisible to Ram Prasad. Arjun watches the interface, recognizing the same level of professional analytics found in a city office. He asks how they can use the data to stop the blight. By treating each tokenized cube as a data point, the system removes guesswork from the season. Farming becomes a predictable cycle of data-backed decisions. The Hal Didi authorizes a precision spray mission. In the hub's flight ops area, the heavy-duty drone prepares for launch. The VAI Go drone lifts off. This is industrial-grade hardware, built to carry heavy payloads over difficult terrain with total flight stability. The drone flies a programmed path directly to the infected cubes. It applies a targeted spray with centimeter-level accuracy, treating the compromised area and preserving the crop. Arjun watches the drone bank and return to the hub. He sets his duffel bag down on the ground, watching the technology protect his father's land. This intervention works because it pairs cloud-based digital intelligence with the physical capacity to act on that data at the village level. By harvest season, the field has been transformed. The blighted leaves have been replaced by a uniform, healthy crop. The precision approach resulted in a significant yield increase, while the targeted spraying drastically reduced the volume of chemicals that Ram Prasad had to purchase. Arjun now manages the hub's drone fleet as a Hal Sati. Instead of moving to the city for work, he is overseeing the digital transformation of his own community. For Ram Prasad, the land is still sacred, but he now sees it as a source of professional pride and a viable career path for his son. The Hal ecosystem provides more than just a higher yield. It creates skilled, local employment that allows rural families to build a future together on their own terms. This single successful season provides the operational model for a much larger rollout. The MegDev Dynamics mission is to scale this infrastructure from one village to thousands of districts across the country. The roadmap targets the establishment of 1 lakh centers, bringing 200 million farmers into a unified digital and physical network. Ojas Aerospace is building the foundational layers of a modern agricultural economy, ensuring that the necessary infrastructure is present where it is needed most. By anchoring deep tech in the soil of every district, this network ensures that the stability found in this one courtyard becomes the standard for millions of farmers across India.